As a landlord, ensuring your rental property is in good condition is not only crucial for maintaining its value, but also for keeping your tenants happy and satisfied. Understanding the most common rental repairs and problems that can arise is key to being a proactive and responsible property owner. For this reason, we'll explore the most prevalent rental repairs that landlords should be aware of, from water leaks and garbage disposal system problems to cold water and a broken appliance. By familiarizing yourself with these common issues, you'll be better prepared to address them promptly, ensuring a smooth and pleasant renting experience for both you and your tenants. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a landlord and real estate investor. Today, we're going to cover the 8 most common rental repairs and problems that you should know about, starting with plumbing issues. Plumbing problems are among the most common issues that landlords encounter in rental properties. In addition to impacting your residents' quality of life and comfort, ignoring these issues can lead to costly repairs, such as water leaks, mold growth, and property deterioration. They can also waste water, leading to a higher water bill. Here are some examples of common plumbing issues landlords and property managers may come across in an investment property. Leaky faucets, leaky pipes, clogged toilets or toilet leaks, clogged shower drains, clogged kitchen or bathroom sink drains, malfunctioning water heaters, lack of hot water, and other water leaks. When addressing plumbing issues, it's important to identify the issue as quickly as possible. For leaks, you want to find out where the water is coming from so that no further damage occurs. For things like water heater malfunctions, you want to check for pilot light problems, faulty thermostats, and sediment buildup in the tank that may be making it so that there's no hot water. Number 2 is electrical problems. Electrical problems are inconvenient for tenants at best. At worst, they pose significant safety hazards in rental properties. As a responsible landlord, it's crucial to prioritize electrical safety and promptly address any issues that arise. Some examples of common electrical problems found in an investment property are outdated wiring, damaged wiring, flickering lights, circuit breaker trips, and non-responsive outlets and switches. Electrical systems can be tricky. You may want to consider consulting a professional when handling any of these problems or making any upgrades to prevent them. The Electrical Safety Foundation International and National Fire Protection Association also have guidelines and resources for electrical safety that landlords, property managers, and tenants alike should familiarize themselves with to stay educated, compliant, and safe. Third is HVAC repairs. A well-functioning HVAC, also known as heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, is essential for maintaining tenant comfort and satisfaction throughout the year. Make sure your tenants are safe and comfortable by looking out for these problems, which are associated with cooling, heating, and airflow issues. Inadequate cooling, refrigerant leaks, clogged air filters, faulty compressors, faulty pilot light and heaters, ignition problems, ductwork issues, and blocked vents. In addition to regular maintenance and professional inspections on a seasonal basis, you should consider upgrading to energy-efficient HVAC systems or installing programmable thermostats. Doing so is a great way to prevent some of these issues while reducing utility costs and enhancing tenant satisfaction. Number 4 is appliance malfunctions. Well-functioning appliances are essential for tenants' daily living and convenience. For example, a malfunctioning refrigerator can lead to food spoilage, and a broken stove or oven can make it so that the tenants can't even cook. Some necessary common rental property repairs that happen with appliances like refrigerators, dishwashers, washers, and dryers include thermostat malfunctions in the refrigerator, compressor problems, clogged condenser coils, dishwasher drain pump issues, water inlet valve problems, faulty timers in washer machines, clogged vents in dryers, malfunctioning igniters in gas stoves, and faulty heating elements. When it comes to appliances, some repairs are actually easy to fix that the tenant may even be able to take care of. And to do this, you want to ensure the tenants have access to the appliance user manuals, troubleshooting guides, and maintenance tips. If an appliance is old or repeatedly experiencing issues, consider replacing it with a new energy-efficient model to reduce repair costs and enhance tenant satisfaction. Number 5 is roof leaks. Roof leaks are also a common rental property repair that can have severe consequences if left unattended. You should be aware of the signs of roof leaks and take proactive measures to address them promptly. Some signs include water stains on ceilings or walls, dripping or pooling water during rain, musty odors or signs of mold growth in the attic or upper floors, missing or damaged shingles or tiles on the roof, and water leaks coming from the ceiling. If you leave roof issues unaddressed, your rental property may experience water intrusion, causing damage to ceilings, walls, and structural components. Over time, this can weaken the property's integrity and result in costly repairs. Excess moisture from roof leaks creates an ideal environment for mold and mildew to thrive. Mold infestations not only damage the property, but can also pose health risks to tenants. All of this leads to decreased property value in the end and quickly. Prospective tenants may be deterred by visible signs of roof leaks during property showings. So here are some tips for mitigating or addressing roof problems for your investment property. Regular roof inspections, prompt repairs, gutter maintenance, attic ventilation, and choosing good roofing materials. Number 6 is paint and drywall fixes. The appearance of rental property plays a significant role in attracting and retaining tenants. Therefore, to maintain a fresh and inviting living space for your tenants, you should address even minor damage or wear and tear like paint and drywall issues before even listing your property. For example, peeling paint, chipped paint, holes and cracks in drywall, water stains, moisture, aging paint, improper application, and general accidents can cause issues with paint and drywall. You should always address those underlying issues before making repairs, especially when it comes to moisture. Make sure to tackle any water leaks, roof leaks, or plumbing issues before fixing unsightly water stains so you can prevent mold growth and continued issues. Additionally, ensure proper surface preparation before repainting by cleaning, sanding, and priming walls to achieve a smooth and long-lasting finish. Use high-quality paint products that are durable and washable to withstand wear and tear and reduce the frequency of repainting. By investing in paint and drywall repairs, landlords can maintain the visual appeal of their rental properties and create a positive impression on potential tenants. A well-maintained interior enhances tenant satisfaction and sets the foundation for a harmonious landlord-tenant relationship. Number 7 is pest control services. Pest infestations can quickly turn a comfortable rental property into an unpleasant and unlivable space. Be proactive about pest control measures to protect the health and safety of your tenants and your investment property. Here are some of the most common pests you should be prepared to address: cockroaches, bedbugs, rodents, ants, and termites. Many of these pests, such as rodents, find their way into homes through cracks and openings. Identify and seal potential entry points for pests to prevent them from accessing the property. Regular pest management measures also help protect the property from damage and maintain its value over time. Number 8 is smoke detectors. Smoke detectors are critical safety devices that every rental property must have. These small devices play a crucial role in alerting tenants to the presence of smoke, providing early warning in case of a fire. Make sure that smoke detectors are installed, properly maintained, and comply with local safety regulations. Below are some of the things to keep in mind when it comes to smoke detectors. Requirements: smoke detectors should be installed on each level of the rental property, including basements and attics. They should also be placed near bedrooms and sleeping areas to ensure maximum protection. Regularly test smoke detectors to ensure they are functioning correctly. Replace batteries at least once a year or when the low battery warning sounds, and additionally, it is essential to replace the entire smoke detector unit every 10 years. The best way to handle common rental property repairs is by addressing minor issues before they become big ones. Here are some tips for doing so. Encourage tenants to report any problems promptly so you can address them in a timely manner. Consider hiring a professional for periodic inspections to catch potential issues early. Regularly check and maintain your systems to prevent minor problems from escalating into major repairs. Ensure tenants know how to use and care for different parts of their rental property to minimize risk and malfunctions. Consider upgrading your systems in older properties to meet current safety standards and minimize the risk of problems arising. Have an emergency response plan in place in case of major problems such as power outages, electrical fires, or flooding. Understand what landlords are required to fix and what falls within the tenant's responsibility. Timely maintenance and repairs not only enhance the overall living experience for tenants, but also contribute to long-term value and appeal of the rental property. By staying informed about these common issues and taking appropriate action when needed, landlords can foster positive tenant relationships, reduce tenant turnover, and ultimately achieve greater success in their rental property ventures. Investing in the upkeep of the property and promptly addressing any issues that arise will undoubtedly yield long-term benefits and foster a harmonious and thriving rental property experience for all parties involved. This could also mean investing in property management software. Property management software like DoorLoop is a great way to stay on top of preventative maintenance and general maintenance requests for HVAC systems, clogged toilets, garbage disposals, electrical work, roof damage, and other common repairs. You can remind tenants of their responsibilities and have them submit maintenance requests, assign tasks for a licensed plumber or a licensed electrician, and so much more. See how DoorLoop can help you today and stay on top of your common rental property repairs and maintenance, and nip those issues in the bud before they cause extensive damage by clicking the link down in the description for a free demo. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're looking for a place to connect with other property managers, make sure to join our exclusive Facebook group. Plus, you can check out this playlist for more property management tips and advice. I will see you in the next one. Bye!